I'm making this video to document this model of the 555 timer I made. As you can see, it's wired up right now as a blinky, and here is the blinking focus. And this model is built according to this schematic that is part of the documentation at this website. Where a nice person has created a 3.5's kit. And EEV blog did a review of this kit some years ago, which was very instructive. Now, I thought that, well, given some budget limitations and my interest in learning more about analog electronics, that building it myself from the schematic might teach me more than buying the pre-built kit. Now, of course, I haven't done the actual experiment of buying both and seeing which one I learned more from, but I will tell you that I learned an awful lot from making this. This is actually my third iteration, and I learned a lot about debugging these kinds of circuits, and I also discovered that various kinds of small signal transistors work just fine. The schematic specifies 3904 and 3906 transistors, as you can see here. And I thought, well, what if I used 2222 and 2907 transistors instead, and that worked fine, at least for the blinky models I was testing with. And well, that's about it. I just thought I'd show you this and tell you that doing this yourself on a breadboard is a good educational experience, especially when you wire one thing wrong, don't know about it, put it all together, and have to track it down. That's all for now. See you in the next video.